She is. That's what she's doing right now.
Are we gonna lock your hair up today? No, you don't want to get your hair locked up? You want hair like Becky? Yeah, because, you know, you don't like getting your hair washed or combed or anything. So, Mommy's thinking that it might be time. Let's see. Alright, you guys, so I think we are locking Blaze's hair today. He can't sit for braids, he can't sit to get his hair done, he can't sit to do anything. Washing it is terrible. Everything is just so hard for him. So, I'm kind of tired of it. So I'm like, let's go ahead and lock the hair.
I was trying to be quiet, Yeti recording. She vlogging.
If I do hers, I'm gonna do hers in mini, like Sydney. My girls gonna have a mini one. Make everybody jealous in school. When they hair down their ass, cracking their shit down, they're still sitting on their shoulders. I don't know why your mom locked your hair. I don't know why your hair's still sitting on your shoulders.
Hey, girl. Hey. You jealous?
Yeah, because next is cutting it. That's next. I don't.
Okay, so let's talk about the stage back, right? So, you know, at first I'm finna wick it, right? I'm finna insta-lock it, which is gonna make it a lock, right? But just because it's insta-lock don't mean that it doesn't have to still go through some of the steps the locks go through. So it's gonna do a little bit of shrinking. That's when it's gonna like seal itself. So you're gonna see a little shrinkage. So you'll see a shrinkage maybe 3 times before they completely mature. But it's just how it goes. Like, no matter how you do it, it's gonna do that.
I mean, I don't really care about shrinkage. Like, that don't bother me.
That don't bother me none.
I mean, it just...
Girl, you'll never get your hair done by me again.
I know that's right, Key. I mean,
You just get her hair done about 100 times.
You so messy. You don't even know who you agreeing with. You just agree.
I'm
you should
agreeing
just
with
take
mommy.
it out of there and let her ride.
One of mine fell out in the back. I take that girl so fast.
Girl, you had them things for a long time. Please don't be bothering that lady.
No, she said, I told you come get a maintenance at the end of the January.
And you ain't had no money for no maintenance, so it's your
She
fault.
said the end of January is coming up. Yeah, it's coming up.
That's too long.
You ready?
All she does is pull them up, like, you know, pull it back. You know, my hair is crocheted in. All she does is pull it back up and wrap it again.
I think I'm gonna do some braids.
It's $80.
Good job.
But $80 is not that bad. It's gonna last another 2 months.
That's not that bad.
Girl, I'm finna pay my bills.
I know that's right.
She has some big business.
I don't want to zoom in on you when you say that.
Big business.
No, you want to pay your mom. Shit. Fuck them bills. They be there. They can cut your shit off, pay your mom.
I'm weak.
Sanaa, hey pretty girl. Look at her.
So you better be checking your room and make sure it's together. Definitely after you get out the shower, after you finish your room and get out the shower, you know you need to do your chores in the bathroom.
You're doing so good, baby. Grandma's so proud of you. Mommy's so proud. Titi Key so proud.
Yay!
Girl, he ain't thinking about us. He's gonna watch his show.
Blake.
Blaze, why you rocking, baby?
See what I mean about losing?
Stop moving, baby. Thank you.
Hang your house coat up.
So how long will it take for it to lock then?
Maybe like 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah.
So It'll slip out?
No, this is going to be together. I'm talking about to make it look like mine. Like this. This is what mature locks look like.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying? This is just a cheap mechanism to make them stay together as if they locked up. But they still got to do a seal. Which means the hair just wraps around and stuff. It makes it look more like... Yeah,
Okay.
no worries.
I just worry about it
worries.
slipping because
It ain't
it's
gonna slip
fine,
out.
you know?
I'm not going to let it slip out. I'm right around the corner. Stop stressing. You see Boomy's hair locked up?
Is it?
And Boomy my roster. He come in here like his mama want his hair to be neat. Boomy doesn't want to do that. Boomy wants to look like his TT. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm the only example he had a real lock, so he want to be rough. Kayla, he want to look like Kayla. You know?
Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Now go back with the one needle. See? And then this is tight glue, the extra tightening.
That's crazy that tool does that. And so then you pop the rubber band and then you do the top part, or you leave the top.
The top part is what you go palm, you know.
Oh, roll.
So I gotta come down there all the way. You getting sleepy? If you get sleepy, you can lay down on my lap.
You need juice?
So in the end, when we pop the rubber band, we'll do like this to kind of.
Yeah.
I'll go back and tighten it up. I just want to make sure we keep going before he start getting.
Nice, please.
Because he gonna get antsy.
Yes. Yes, we'll go home in a little bit. You gotta get your hair done, baby.
I know y'all better be working on homework stuff.
Mama.
Well, I'm not even doing nothing.
Yeah.
They
They ain't going outside. You know they just got in trouble. They ain't going outside. Grandma and Dandy didn't say they'd go outside. They're in trouble.
Look at David Wayne.
Don't break it, Dad.
It won't break. It doesn't break. It just goes down and then comes back up. So if the dogs eat it, so if they just try to bite it or something, it goes down. Mama, we put the dog outside.
Yes, in just a second.
You're doing very good, Blaze. Your hair looks nice. Yeah. You saw Julie and the KFC stuff. And drop his bowl. Say bowl. The one playing by my room. Really cool.
Blaze, turn back around.
Always in the mood.
Oh.
Hello, everyone. Rebecca, do you want to play in my bedroom? What bedroom? What where?
Come let me see your hair. Oh my goodness.
My baby is the dog.
Yes, we're gonna go home. See, you're almost done, baby. Wow. Daddy's so excited to see your beautiful hair.
Okay, turn this way. Yeah, I know. Who did it? Grandma did it? Oh no, your grandma can't. You can't say grandma did it. Grandma didn't do anything. You already got my grandbaby hating me.
Thanks, Grandma. Look. Look, do you see your hair?
Nice. So handsome.
What do you think about your hair? Look. Look at it.
He doesn't care. He just wants to cover my ass.
We love your hair. Daddy, what do you think about the hair?
Looks so nice. You look like such a big boy.
Yeah, he does look like our big boy.